all end-to-end with Django operations. So first we will be creating the project. Next we'll be implementing the models, serializers, all the get, put, post, create, delete APIs. After that we'll implement login, logout as well. So this is our agenda. If you implement that as a fresher, you are more than experienced person, right? More close to the experienced person while answering something which you know, which you learned. If you practice, then only it will come. Otherwise, you don't. You know that. I just opened the material for a reference. No need to do anything, right? It's clear. Go to any folder and start something. Scratch, from scratch, in live. Let's see. Django projects. I will create a new virtual environment. Go to CMD, command prompt. Let's see whether it is recording or not. Fine, I confirmed it. Yeah. Python -m venv virtual environment. We want to create new live code. Okay. I created a virtual environment name called new live code. So let it create. After its creation, we'll create a new project and we'll start the models, everything in a step-by-step manner, right? In less time. It's created. Now check. Go to CD. We want to go inside that. New tab. So we went inside. Now go to CD scripts because it is having some script. We want to activate that scripts. That scripts, Python scripts. You see here that is having new live code. That is Python script we want to activate. So this is nothing but a new environment where we are creating a new environment so that other environments will not disturb. Here we can able to create our own projects in this folder. See, this is activated. That's why it's here. So just put CLS, clear screen, right? Clear. Now we want to do pip install Django first. After installing them, because you created a new virtual environment means definitely you want to create and install the packages separately for that particular virtual environment also. I'm doing scratch, so it might take 1 or 2 minutes for installation and all. No need to worry. I will make this session 1.5 hours also. No issue. We will complete each and everything slow and steadily. That's fine. So yeah, it's clear. Now go back. Okay, we install inside the scripts. We should go back to here, virtual environment, not in scripts. We should not install inside the scripts. Remember this point. If you do that, you can uninstall back. See, it's very, it's completed very early. So now what we want to do, we want to create a Django project. Just check if we have Django or not. Django -hyphen version. One second, I will clear this. See, version is there, means Django is installed. Now CLS, clear screen. Now want to create Django -admin start project. I want to start whatever it may be, registration portal. Okay, registration portal. I'm just starting the registration portal. So now see here, we already created registration portal as a Django app. We have manage.py, which will start the application, which will manage all the Django project dependencies and everything. So now go inside CD registration portal. We want to go inside registration portal. Now we are at the registration portal. Open PyCharm now. This guy PyCharm. Our code editor. That is fine. You know that. I will open this new project which we want to create now. File. Come on. Open. Which one we want to open? In Django, new live. Here inside this, I want to open registration portal. Let's click and open in the same window. It will replace that and open that only. Okay. Yes. Fine. So now we are clear that we have all this. You know why WSDI for server settings, URLs for URL matching and all. Settings.py, what all settings, install applications, MySQL, everything we want to check. You know that. ASGI and everything. Init.py is an initialization file where it will start. It's nothing but a dummy file, but it's a supporting file for the starting of the application. So manage.py will start as the main method. It will start as the console application from main. From here, it will call the Django core and it will import all the modules and the settings where settings will be there to do validations, languages, databases, server, templates, middlewares, and installed applications and everything. From there, it will start the application and it will run the application and it will enable the URL. Once if you click URL, it might able to match that particular component like any other previous day. That particular component is nothing but a view. We will use the serializer. Serializer will call the model. Model we will be called and stored in the database. Database will return back the response to the serializer. Again, the serializer data will send back as a response or the JSON response with the status codes as 200, 201, 404, 400, 500, 302, 401 for unauthorized, 200 for success. You know that. So now let's start. Go to registration portal. We already have. So now just mention Python. Before that, if you want to try to migrate, you can migrate. So let's connect to MySQL. Okay. Where it is. Just comment. I think we want to install MySQL, right? Just try to install MySQL and do this setup. Or we can just copy paste it from the another project. We don't need to write every time. So here we have e-commerce. Here we have e-commerce and here we have settings. Just open in Notepad and just copy that VS Code. Okay. Just once. Sorry. So MySQL, I think we have password and everything. We'll just copy paste and we'll configure the same. Where this. So engine is MySQL. We'll just copy paste that. So remove that SQLite 3, which is default one. You have the engine. Django.mysql. We want to install MySQL parser. So 1 second. Here it is there, right? We'll do pip list and check what is the MySQL version we are using. And let's check. MySQL version, which one we are using? Let's check. MySQL, because we already used it. If you do pip list in that particular project, what all it is using, it might, it might able to give you, right? Where is this? Okay, let it. I'll just check that particular day material and just connect back. Where is database operations? Here database setup. Let's check. MySQL. Yeah, MySQL client we can directly install and try to do that. So today's project, undo pip install MySQL client. So it will install the latest version. No need to check the, no need to worry about the versions. Endukante if some version is mismatched to the current version of the Django, it is 5.2.1 something or no, right? How to check that version? So for example, we already checked it, right? Django -admin -version. Now, okay. Uh, 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 no, it's not settings. CD e-commerce. I think something wrong. Uh, uh, okay, let it be. Pip list. Just mention as pip. Just to do clear again. I no need to do all this. Pip list. It will check the all the see Django is 5.1.6. If you do pip install MySQL client, right? It will get that particular matching. Oh, 1 second. Sorry guys. So if you do pip install, it will automatically match that particular MySQL version that is required for the Django 5.1.6. That is clear. Okay. So now we are very clear that we configured MySQL, and if you do pip list again in this project is registration portal. It is there in the current folder, right? We know. So which we created now, which is new live code. And again do pip list. Just check whether it is installed or not. See, pip MySQL client is installed. Again clear screen. CLS. Fine. Now what we want to do, we want to create the tables. Why we want to create the tables? Django will have administration portal, right? This administration portal will have super user login automatically inbuilt. For that also, in order to store, we want to migrate the database. We already connected to SQL database. It should migrate and it will create the initial tables that we want to do. Python manage.py that is there in module 4 what I just opened, right? E module lo untadi. So, right, we want to migrate Python manage.py, make migrations. So now we are in this module. For example, ఈ stage లో ఉన్నాం ఇప్పుడు project build. So now no change detection means you didn't write any model, but there are inbuilt thing we want to migrate. Those will migrate and create the new, new things. If nothing is there, that's fine. Then what we want to do? We want to run Python manage.py run server. Let's do this. Since we are running now, so it's running now. So now we are still here. I want to create a table. For example, I want to create a table. I want to create a model or something. Let it be. So let's create something here. But here, before going to that, you want to create an application. This is fine. You want to create app first. This is fine. This is the nothing but a project. You want to create an app. Registration portal you created. Inside you want to create what? I want to create I want to start an app, right? I want to do Django-admin start app. You created a project. Inside that you want to create app. Okay. API. It's a registration API, for example. Okay. Registration API. Now I started an app. Okay. See, you started an app. This you want to register inside the settings. Remember this point. Okay. Apps. Here you want to register. That is registration API. Simply, you can directly do registration API. So now you have models. If you didn't create nothing, that's fine. If you created something, that's fine. You can able to do migration. Then I want to do again, make migrations. If you want to migrate again, you can do migrate. Nothing. Again, you can run the application that might run because we didn't create anything. There is no dependency at all, right? We created now. So now what we want to do? I want to create a model. It's a registration portal, right? Let's create a model. Class, course, or even topic also, that's fine. Topic models dot configure interpreter first. See, from Django.db we imported models. Models dot model. So we created a model. Now first one is topic name equal to character field. To whom it is character field? Models dot character field. So we'll put max length. Max length equal to 120. Topic name. The topic name only we have. Apart from that, we can give topic duration. Let it be okay. It like a course duration equal to models dot char field. Duration might be 500 words. Let it be 500 characters. Define self return all, or we can return self dot topic name by default. If you want to, if you put all, that's fine. Everything will be written. But by default, I will topic name. Fine. This is good. Now I want to register in the administration portal, right? Here we want to do admin dot site dot register. Okay. Then we want to register what I want to register. Topics model. You don't want to put this. You just want to put dot models. That's it. Okay. What is the model name? It's a topic. It's just put topic. It's clear. Clear. So now it's registered. Now try to migrate. You created a new table. Now try to migrate. Do CLS. What is the command? Python manage.py make migrations. There is a thing to migrate. You see, initial.py it's created migrations, which is a topic. See here in the migrations. You have initial.py migration, which is dependency and is something is haven. It is created SQL related object. Now it's ready to push to SQL. This is the object relational mapping. All the Python related objects and everything will be mapped to the SQL code. Now that will push now if you do migrate. Make migrations, it's ready to do. And Python understanding SQL way, it's converted the same. Now it will push and match with the SQL and it will execute it. Migrate. Along with that, if any tables also required, it might do, right? So it's created. Now you can check if it is MySQL workbench. You no need to check, it's already created, but still, what is the database name we are using here? Let's go. It's CRUD only. Okay, it's CRUD only. Now go to CRUD. See here, we have topic and topics, if I'm not wrong. Just refresh it, okay? Because we just now open, right? Topic and topics. Refresh. Or LMS. Okay, try to use LMS now. Okay. Now try to migrate again so that we can see the clear difference. Yes, it's applied. See, it's applying now. It's applied. Now you see LMS is applied. Go and check and refresh the table. See, all are created. All are created. All tables are created. That's fine. So now we have topic and that is registered. Now we try to create super user so that we can able to log in, right? Python manage.py create super user. Because we want to log in. I'll just give my name. sagar@gmail.com. 1, 2. Yes, I want to bypass. Right? If you're using easy password like admin root, you want to bypass it. So now run server. We are running the server. Go and open the administration portal and check whether you have all this data or not. 1 second. I'll try to log in because that is the same password which I will see. There is a topics as well. You can add the topic also. Topic name, oops, topic duration 1 hour. Okay. Save it. Completed. It is there in database also. If I'm not wrong, somewhere it is stored. Wherever it is, let it be. Yeah. Registration underscore topic. See, its name is registration API underscore topic because it is under registration API. That is how it's created. Hmm? So now that is fine. You created that. Now you create serializer for that. Then only you can able to do that. Serializers dot py class topic serializer. So we want to do model serializer. Okay. We want to import model serializer. We want to do class meta. 1 second. Typing speed is slow. Is internet is good? I will just make the bandwidth. Let's switch off the camera. So now what is meta? So we want to use meta tag. So right, class meta. So now what is the model we want to give? Just check. What is the model name? It's topic or topics are topic only. Topic. So because if you want to give this model, then what all we need to do? We want to import also registration API dot models. So you can put dot models also because thing is here we are already inside the registration API. Just use dot models and refer this file simply and go to serializers and we can put like fields all because we want to send all the fields, right? We don't need to restrict. I think this is the correct syntax, which if I am not wrong, just check whether it is the correct syntax or not. Because if we write wrong syntax, definitely it might affect the code. It's correct only. Fine. So we written correct. Now, if we write wrong, also it might, it might break here. Can I show you if I write wrong or something, right? If I try to do something, it might break basically. That's fine. So now try to create views. I think views are already there. Which views we want to create? Class. I want to create view because I want to access all the CRUD operations for all this. Topics view. I want to create API view. Let's create definition get method. Get method I want to create. What I will do? Self comma request comma pk primary key if it is. Then if pk, right? If pk, what I want to do? I want to check topic equal to topic serializer. Topic serializer. Remove this. You can just mention as dot serializer because it is in the same folder. Topic serializer. Not topic serializer. Topic dot objects dot filter. Topics dot objects dot filter. We want to import topic also, right? From dot models import topic. So till this point, are you clear, guys? everyone. We will filter PK equal to PK. So now this PK is the primary key in the filter. This PK is the keyword. You can put PK1 also. That's fine. So that is different and this is different. If it is there, then we'll try to accept that, right? Otherwise, we can able to do all the things, right? So then we want to return it. So then we want to create serializer. Serializer equal to topic serializer of topic. Then we will return response. From Django REST framework dot response. Inside response, we want to send the serializer comma status equal to 200. Okay, fine. I think objects is the method. Topic dot objects. Why it's showing error? That's fine. Let it be. Else we will return all topics equal to topic dot. We already imported objects dot all. We will send all. Okay. Then we will do serialize because all also we want to serialize. Serialize only, then you can able to do the plain JavaScript to Python, again Python to plain JSON objects. Now we want to send topics comma many equal to true because there are multiple topics now. Then we want to return response of serializer dot data because serializer might have many things. I think here also we want to send serializer dot data. Okay. Just put okay, so now we created a get method. If we have primary key, that's fine. Otherwise, we're not doing that. This is one method. I want to create another method which is post self comma request. So we are creating this post request means we are accepting something. You got my point. We are accepting something means the data equal to request dot body. Definitely we are sending body. You know that. We want to serialize that. Serialize. Like we want to use topic serializer of data, right? I think data equal to data because we want to send the data. We can make it as body also like requested data. You want to put no need to confuse that we want to send to the data parameter like many and status. It will be having inbuilt parameter acceptance name or keyword which is a data that will accept by this data. It's a nothing but a variable inside which will accept that, right? Now we want to check if that is valid. Serializer dot is valid. Then fine. We can able to save that. We can do serializer dot save. Then it will store in the database. Then we'll return the response of what? Serializer dot data. Whatever it may be, the same. Dot data. We will make status equal to 201. 201. Else we will return response as we'll get errors. Not valid data simply. Just put status as 400 bad request. This is my idea we want to do. Or we can directly put as serializer.errors also we can put. Serializer.errors also we can put. Customly if you want to put, that's fine. Otherwise you want to do. So now what we want to do? I want to register this topics view so that I can able to do some operations. So let's check. Go to urls.py. If it is not there, then try to register urls. It will create. Now we should register the urls.py, which we will need to call as URL patterns equal to. See, we want to import URL patterns. Now we want to import path. So now registering URLs is which module? We are here. URL routing configuration and all. So we want to create a path which is just create something like this. Which we want to use topics view, right? Just close these files. No need to do. Just close all this. Yeah. Dot as view, because it's a class. We need to put as view name equal to topics view. Let it be. So we want to import that using dot views. Then also we want to import path also. This part from where we want to do. Just try to check from Django.urls. From Django.db we import modules. From Django.url we want to import path. Fine, that is clear. And also this is clear. We got this. Now what we want to do? These URLs we want to register in the main application. Here I want to register. Otherwise it might not take, right? Otherwise it might not take. So path we want to give as API. Let it be API registration. Then we want to give include of which URLs? Registration portal. Registration portal dot URLs. You got my point? Everyone, are it clear till this point? ఇక్కడ వరకు అర్థమైందా? మనం ఏం చేసాం? ఫస్ట్ we created model serializers and view and created URLs in its own app. ఆ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ యాప్ లో రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకొని దీన్ని మనం we want to import in the main app. అది మన ఇంక్లూడే. ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తుంది బట్ స్టిల్ నో ఇష్యూ. అంటే ఇట్స్ ఏ వార్నింగ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఆల్సో.
Registration spelling, sir.
Yeah. So I think I just make it correct. ఇంతవరకు చేసాము. Let's see what happens. ఏదైనా ఎర్రర్ వస్తే we need to solve it. We will solve, no issue. We already solved many times. No module name registration portal. ఎక్కడ ఇది? Let's check. See, no module name registration portal. Where? What we want to check? Let's check. అది ఎక్కడ నుంచి అయితే it's from settings file. So what we will put? We will put registration portal dot registration API dot registration API. Now try to check. Registration API, that is fine. అంతా బానే ఉంది. 1 second. App registry. We'll check from where it is coming. Okay. We'll clear the screen once and do one more time. Okay. So first, if you go to the main thread, Python manage.py run server, we are doing that. Okay. 1 second. So this is fine. So what we will do? Go to this URLs. I think here we have this, right? Not registration portal, registration API. Okay. So this is the you got my point. మనం ఇలా ఇచ్చాం కదా, సో అలా ఇవ్వాలి. So now try to do one more time. Registration portal, from where we are getting this error? Registration API we want to include. That's fine. We already included. apart from where we are using it. Just try to find it. Global search. Registration portal, not registration API. Okay. I'll just put this. Let's see. No module called REST framework. Yes, we didn't install REST framework. Anyone remember this? Have you installed REST framework? No, right? Just try to install REST framework. Pip install. We didn't install. Remember this point. REST framework. Because response is for REST framework. Response is from REST framework. Now try to clear the screen. Okay. CLS. Python manage.py run server. Huh? 1 second more. Okay. Registration portal. Pip install REST framework. There is no matching. CD registration button, right? Pip install Django REST framework. So it will get all the libraries. No need to confuse. Now we need to do clear the screen. We don't want all this because we already did it. Manage router and server. So now it's clear. Now it's clear that API. After the API, what we have topics, huh? Let's see what is the URL which we given. After API in registration.urls, we have topics view. Topics view. This is clear. PK1. Okay, it is accepting PK1 as the get method. So what we will do, we will divide that. Okay, we will divide that. So it is accepting PK1. We will create in the separate class or whatever it may be. Let's see. It's an optional. Go to urls.py. We will put int pk1, right? Same name you want to give. Remember this point always. I think I can mention this kind of as an optional. I think no. Somewhere we can mention as optional. That I'm checking now. Is there any breakage? So int pk1 is an invalid. I already changed. Let's see. I already changed. Let's run one more time. Now try to do. So API slash topics viewer, topics view, just copy paste it. We cannot, remember all the times. We don't have PK1. So let's put question mark here, whether it will work or not. Okay, we'll create. I think we have this probability. Probability we have to do this. Let's do this. Question mark P PK1 slash D, which is a regular expression. D means digit, plus means more than one. You know that. I will show that material also now if you forget it. Question mark and make some question mark here and put some end string which is a dollar. Now try to do. Let's see. It should work. Uh, 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 uh. We want to give as a regular expression then. Because R means regular expression only, right? We want to give as a regular expression. Just put the cap for this. Now try to do by this. So I will show you the regular expression materials. So then you can remember back. Go to Python core, which is the last module. Regular expression you see. I want to show you in live because see, R means raw string. I will show you. R means raw string, which will be using for the regular expressions. Now you see D means digit, plus means more than one. You got it? That is why I'm doing precedence here. So that is what I want to do this here, right? Question mark means optional, before and after. Topics view slash this one question mark primary PK1 slash. Here I put this. This is the reason, right? We don't want that. Just try to do again. It doesn't match anything. Fine, we'll create one more thing. So what we'll do? So we'll create one more class view. So here we'll just get by ID, all PK, whatever that might matches, right? So we'll get PK1 here. It's get by ID. Here I don't mention PK. So it will do return all, right? It might return all. There is no else also. Done. So we have two topics view by ID. So that is one and this is one. That here ID means get by ID, update by ID, delete by ID. Three we can write. Remember this point always. So topics view, you know to mention here. You can mention directly this one only. Again, what I will do, I will create one more path with PK ID. Okay, primary key. So we'll give by ID. We'll import that. Okay, we imported. Change this. Give this. Here we'll do int PK1. Is it correct? Go and check again. PK1 only. Now peacefully you can do. It's peaceful for you and me. So just use save parameter there. Unexpected on second. If something is unexpected, just remove that. Does not exist. What does not exist? Let's check. 500 chain REST framework API not exist chain. Topics view 500 exceptions template. Okay, try to do this. Serializer dot data, comma, status equal to 200. Objects dot. This objects only. It's topic only. Serializer only. We have topics only. Many equal to true. Simply response data we can send. Topic start. Go to models. If anything is wrong here, I'll just try to figure it out. models.model. Here we created that. That is fine. Title models.char field, DjangoDB.models. That's fine. Char field also, that is fine. Self-str. I think this is also good. Return where self.title. This is also good. Go to serializer. We create a topic serializer. Here we want to put serializer dot serializers dot model serializer. We want to import. 1 second. We want to import REST framework. So that is fine. We given topic fields equal to all. After this, we create the API view. Go to API view, or just put the view also, or view set also. That is fine. Here also you can view set also. That is fine. Okay, so now that it will work, no issue. So go to Postman and just check now the URLs. We will create the post operation also, get to delete also we can do. After that we can close, no issue. Login and logout also we can do tomorrow if time not permits. Now we want to do get operations. If you have any, we'll get that. It's getting 500 internal error again. Accepted render is not set a response. Accepted render not set on response. Let's check. This is the only one, right? Let us go 200, comma, is equal to topics view. Go to URLs, topics view, topics view. It's correct already. Dot serializers, import serializer. Okay. REST framework dot response. Django dot, okay. We'll do REST framework dot views. REST framework dot, because we are using REST framework. Let's use the same that we want to import. Okay, because we are using REST framework, then we want to use REST framework only. Otherwise, it will throw issue. Remember this point. This might be one of the issue. It might solve that. Hope for that. Still 500 error. Why? Let's see. Safe. Now it's completed. Let's use safe. Just remove this. This is not required. Accept and response. Why this error? Response dot render topic view get response. select. We'll just select. We have 1 hour duration. We already know that. Go to this objects dot all. So many true because we have many. Get self request. Get method self request. Serializer topic serializer. Topics many. So get this API view. API view self request topic dot objects dot all topic serializer many equal to true. We are sending data. Blah blah blah. Let's see again. Let's see if we have any error. No, we don't have any error. Let's see again. Yes, we got the issue. We got the data now. So here also let's pick API because we are depending on only API, not view. API means this kind of URL we can hit from the UI, we can able to use it. Then example, if you see JSON placeholder also, so that's why API will not work here in the browsers also sometimes. So if you do dummy API, if you see JSON placeholder, it's also fake API. It's nothing but I know application programming interface using that we can help to do. See here, that is a ready-made one. We are getting to do's. The same way we are getting our topics also. You got my point, everyone. Are you clear till this point? We'll finish up the post operation and delete and get also. Okay. And we will stop. ఇంతవరకు అర్థమైంది అందరికి పోస్ట్ ఆపరేషన్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను ఓకే everyone. Now do the post operation. Same because we already created post operation. Just create one more record. Try to do body. We want to send the body as a JSON. ID ఉండకూడదు. Duration it might be 2 hours. It might be API. So now try to do. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా. We already created post operation, right? See this requested data we are saving that. Now see it's created. Okay, expected dictionary but got bytes. Okay, raw JSON format. Expected dictionary from but got bytes. No field errors. It's dictionary only, no? What is bytes here? Requested data. Requested dot body. Topic serializer. Data equal to requested data is valid. Save. Or else error. Who told this it's bytes? It's same data. It's topic view only, right? Topic view duration. So post requested data. Topic serializer. Topics many data equal to true. Serializer dot is valid. Serializer dot is save. If it is valid only, we are saving. Finally, we are sending the data. That is fine, right? Let's see here. Directly, we'll try to use it. Request dot data. Let's see now. Check whether it is refreshed or not. It's refreshed. JSON. Fine. Sometimes solutions are simple, sometimes are complex seems to be, but fine, always go forward by just modification. Okay. So now what we will do, we'll get the update operation. Update we'll do here. Okay. In the next line. Before that, I will try to get that by 2id. Just check whether we are getting it or not. Get by id. id is not at working. Again, go and manipulate it. It should get errors. Then it will get that. That's fine. So object queries has no topic name. Go and check. So primary key equal to pk1. Okay. So object dot filter equal to pk1. Okay. So serializer topic, we want to get the topic. That is fine. Topic serializer. Okay. Return serializer dot data. Which is one thing. I think we want to use find method. Get method. Let's use dot get method. Let's see now. What we got again? Save argument. Okay. Remove that. It's not at all required. So sorry guys. Anna class lo unna 2 minutes anna. షూర్ అన్న షూర్ అన్న నేను చెప్తాను అందరికి. Sorry guys, I got the phone call. It's important. So now remove that and let's see. Okay, done guys. So can you try put and delete? అత్త నేనే ట్రై చేస్తే ఏం బాగుంటది? Are you okay with this or I want to do now only? Vanilla, Mehtaj, Govardhan, Vijay, Vanilla. Oh, guys, please respond me. You want update and delete also now only? Can I do or you want to practice? మీ ట్రై చేసి రాకపోతే అడుగుతారా? అదర్వైజ్ నేనే చేయాలి. అది కూడా ఆల్రెడీ చేశానులే, అది వేరే విషయం. హలో, ఐ వాంట్ రెస్పాన్స్ గైస్. చేయండి, మొత్తం నేనే చేయడం అది వేరు, నాకు ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది మొత్తం నేనే చేస్తే.